Bonjour, what's happening FaceTube? I haven't done a video for a little while. Going to do a little quick one because I'm going to put an oil catch can, if I can that is, on my Astra 1.6, but I don't know where the PCV pipe is, so I'm just going to have a look, root around, see if I can find it. If any of you guys out there see it and I don't, let me know. Let's do this. Damn, she's wet. Right. So, it should be a pipe going from the crankcase or the engine manifold or something into this, the air intake, somewhere, but where? Because there's so much shit, it's unbelievable. Right, so find the pipe, get into the air intake, that's my main priority. Right, so it's not this one, because that's going into the coolant pipe, the coolant. So there must be something somewhere. Is this it? Is that it? That's gonna be is this one here, maybe? No? That's coming from so much flipping pipe. Right. By the looks of it, it's not going to be an easy one. I'm trying to see, there should be a hose getting into this. I just don't see where. Is it on the underside? No? I mean, where's that going? This stupid twin top fucking box. Excuse my language, people. Where do you go? No, you go away down the back, so. Right, I'm finding this a bit difficult, people. If anyone could possibly point me in the right direction where this PCV pipe is. Right, it's a 1.6 Astra H twin top. Okay, so if anybody knows, just point me in the right direction in the comments. Give the video a little like. I'm going to have a root around, see if I can find it. Hope you guys can help. Cheers! Right, so it's a possibility that I have found the PCV pipe. I think it's this one here, this kind of a flexi pipe, because that goes into the EGR of the air intake, and then it goes round there underneath the air intake, and it goes straight in. Straight in there into the engine head. So if that's pressure release coming up through there into there, then hopefully, if somebody can let me know if that is it or not. Astra H 1.6 twin top. Is this the PCV pipe so that I can put an oil catch can in? It looks like it to me because that's going into where the air intake goes, and it's coming from here, straight under, round and straight in, just under that pipe. So if someone can let me know, smashing.